Hi guys, how you're doing? I hope you are good. My name is Edlin Motsamai. I'm actually all the way from Johannesburg, and this is Mount Walker 888, whereby we teach you business in AI or in terms of any small business information that you need. Make sure that you do actually subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd highly appreciate it. Also tell your friends about it. Also, there is an app in the comment section that is from my services and business. You can go check it out, or even the link regarding to my bio, right, regarding to the YouTube channel, whereby it's my digital products, where it assists you with business or starting from scratch, where you can make a business without money. Okay, now today guys, as I have already spoken previously in the video, I'm feeling much better, whereby we spoke about funeral parlors. Now this is part 2, whereby I'm not speaking about funeral parlors. I'm basically speaking about hairdressers as well as barbers. So if you own a hairdressing business, or you are a barber and you're struggling for everything regarding to your small business, this video is for you. So stay tuned. Okay, now firstly, I used to own a beauty business for 17 years called the ML Industries. So therefore, that was before AI came through. That was in the early 2000s down to 2017, 2018. That was before I retired the business, okay? Reason being because I started getting bored of it. So now I have more information for you to actually assist you regarding to your barber or your hairdressing business, or if you own a salon. Firstly, if you want to reduce the missed appointments regarding to your reminders with clients, relax. I got the best AI tool for you, and all these AI tools are free, okay, or free trial period. So therefore, you can also check it out. Firstly, you can use Setmore. Setmore as well as Envoice can actually assist you with appointments, okay. I will write all the apps here, okay, the AI tools for free that you can actually use for your salon or your barber. Okay, now another thing is that if, like, say for instance, you don't have much time to create an Instagram or TikTok portfolio, what you can automatically do regarding to creating it is with CapCut and Hootsuite. Okay, if you can just download those apps, those AI tools, or their site, which is Hootsuite. It will assist you in creating your whole entire TikTok as well as your Instagram for your business. The next one, it's regarding to chatbots, like how I assisted with the funeral plan, or I'm saying funeral plan, funeral parlor, okay? Guys, please, English is running away from me because I'm sick, so just don't mind me today. Okay, so therefore I'm also going to assist you as well as a barber, as well as a salon. Okay, you need to use chat based as well as Tidio. Now the reason why I had to have a placard, guys, is because right now I do not remember anything because I'm sick. So please do not mind the way I do things on YouTube. It's just that I used all these tools. That's why I'm giving you the information about these tools. Okay, so you use chat base as well as Tidio in order for you to actually also book clients while you sleep as well. Okay, now another thing is, if, like, say for instance, you have loyal customers and you want them to come back and you need more help regarding to the services and customer care, you can actually also use Tidio as well as Brevo for emails. So therefore, while you sleep or whilst you automatically put regarding to sending emails, so thank yous or discounts and stuff, Brevo as well as Tidio will assist you. Okay, another thing is that if you want to upsell products because you're not doing well in your hairdresser salon, or like in terms of your barbershop, don't worry, relax, I've got you covered for free of charge. Okay, you are going to use Reply.io as well as Pipedrive. Okay, so what happens is that it actually gives you appointments in order for you to upscale your products to the potential clients or the loyal clients that you are dealing with. Okay, now all the AI tools, as I said just previously, will be here. I hope I'm sounding more better now, guys. I had to drink hot water to assist you. Okay, that's how much I love you. But guys, very, very soon I will be back to normal. And on Saturday, please catch me out regarding to Rumble. I will also be posting on Rumble regarding to motivation. because I want to sound a bit more better. But I said, no, I've been 3 weeks behind with y'all. So that's the reason why I said, whether I'm sick, whether I look like this, whether I look like that, you are going to hear this information from me. Okay, make sure, because of the trouble I've been through, go check out my digital products there on my bio, as well as my app, regarding to the comment section, as well as please subscribe, guys. I'll highly appreciate it. And another thing is that also remember one thing: if you're a small business, do not give up, because you know why? It takes time for good quality services as well as customers to come through. And remember, when you get a loyal customers, you have one, even if it's 5 customers. Okay, bye guys, I love you so much. Please make sure you're subscribed.
I have 5 years in artificial intelligence experience based in Johannesburg.